Hey, good day, Mishak. Darcy here, Media Mechanic. Here's that website audit I was talking to you about. So let me give you some rundown on what Google's looking for in a website. Number one is going to be your content. So that's your words, which, are your keywords and other relating English words that run all together. It's nice fluid English. Backlinks. That's other websites linking back to your websites, and there's different strengths of and quality of backlinks and citations. Same sort of deal. Citations. There's those are local listings like your Better Business Bureau, your Yelp, or your 411. Anywhere we take your business information, your name, address, phone number, and put it into a local listing or a directory. So for content, we're looking between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage just to meet Google's minimum requirements. And then for your other pages, they're really looking for 1,000 to 1,500. So content isn't really a big problem when you start laying it out and trying to meet minimum requirements. Now, backlinks, citations, content, how do we measure these things? What I can show you is the tool that we use here. So here's your website. This tool is called Ahrefs. They crawl websites. They get the information from Google and other search engines. And Google gives you a strength for your websites. And at this time, you don't have any strength. You don't have any backlinks, citations, which are referring to domains here. You have one keyword. But most important, what I wanted to show you there is that nobody is coming to your website. So your website is fantastic, looks really good, could use some improvements, but for the most part, it's there. But right now, it's a digital postcard. And that's my goal, is to get this digital tool working for your company, making you money. So here's a Google search page. At the top, we have ads. If you want to get on the front page of Google 3 times, it's going to be number 1, ads. Number 2, let's get those citations built up there, those local listings and directories. And then that's where you'll sit, is up here, right, in the NatPack. And then underneath the NatPack is the organic search section. So let's look at the competition real quick. We saw a 5-star up there. Good websites, pretty, but low on content. Let's see their numbers. They have some backlinks. I see everybody should have backlinks, citations, and keywords. And the thing about it is we know which backlinks they have. So if they relate to you, which they do, most of them will, we can go after them, and then we can get more. And with that effort and knowledge, we can get you to the top of Google and get your webpage working for you. Here's another competitor. I'm not sure 100%, but same sort of deal. They have some strength. They don't have a ton of strength, but they don't have anybody going to their website either. So this is my goal in offering knowledge and information and services, is to get everybody's website, making them money. So if you're interested in that, give me a ring back, Darcy 780-918-0832. If not, I really appreciate some feedback to this video, just so I can get better and offer a better service. Thanks again for the opportunity, Mukesh.